Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send voice recording and how you can also speed it up. Let's go right into it. First, you click on the mic right here. So press it down. If you look up, you can see the part log. So once you move it up there, it automatically logs, and you can move your hand and it keeps on recording. You don't have to keep on holding on to the recording button. And if you don't like the recording, just click cancel and automatically it's deleted. So let's do it again. Click on it, raise it up, and it's locked. Click on it's recording, and if you want to send it, we just click on the arrow to send it. So you can see we have done the recording and we're going to play it. You can see this
Hello
one.
there, my name is Michael.
We can speed it up by clicking on this 1 times. So the speed is now 1.5 and 2. The fastest is 2. So let me play it now.
I'm going to show you how you can record your voice and also send it out to your friends and loved ones, and also how you can speed it up. Hello there, my name is Michael.
You can reduce
I'm going to show you how you can record your voice and also send it out to your friends and loved ones, and also how you can speed it up.
See? So that's how you can send your voice, and if somebody sends you a long recording, you can also speed it up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.